In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix a Discord update failed. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. So let's say your Discord update failed and it's not even launching properly. The first thing I would recommend doing is going over to your search, typing in Task Manager. It's going to be the very first thing. It's going to be the best match. And then if Discord isn't showing up in your app section, mine is, but if it isn't, go over to the top search up Discord, and it would be in your background processes. And then all you want to do is you want to right click it and press end task. Even if you don't right click it, you can just select it and press end task over here as well. And then Discord is going to be fully shut down. And then just try and open Discord again. And if it doesn't work, what you want to do is you want to head on over to search again, type in add, and the very first thing you're going to see after you type in add is add or remove programs. You want to press this, and you can either search through your applications or you can just search Discord on the very top. So let's search that, and you're going to see it right here. It's only 110 megabytes, and then just uninstall it. Once you've uninstalled it, head on over to your browser of choice. For example, my one is Google Chrome, and then just type in Discord. Once you type in Discord, you're going to see discord.com. But then at the very bottom, you're going to see download. So under login, you're going to see download for desktop. Just press this right here. You're going to be prompted on this page, which is also discord.com/download if you just want to do that as well. And then just press download for Windows and run the installer. And then you're going to have the latest update installed and Discord will launch just as it should. If you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.